All right, going to try some Indian food here to start the year. Trying to start the year with something new and something exciting. More shwerbas.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do the meat.
We're getting
classic.
the meat classic that comes with chicken and lamb and shrimp. Here's some fried onions.
Oh, and potato. Oh my god.
Okay. Good start, good start. Whoa, little fire to it. What is this?
It's a lentil soup.
So onion and garlic?
No, it's dal.
I don't think he'll eat it. They should have served this first.
Okay, let's try the soup. Kind of bland. It's a no-go. Okay, so what is this right here?
This is sag chicken,
Okay.
Chicken, okay.
spinach chicken, and shrimp vindaloo.
Shrimp.
Shrimp vindaloo,
Uh-huh.
chicken tikka masala, lamb korma, tandoori chicken, garlic bread, and raita.
And what
And-
is this?
Raita, it's made with yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yeah,
All right, buddy.
Rice.
Wait,
Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so good.
these ones. And this place has shawarma.
Oh my
Wow.
god. That is.
This lamb is good.
Okay, take a drink of water and I'm gonna have to bring it now.
Oh,
Try this shrimp.
I want one.
Okay.
Chicken kebab for poultice.
There you go, buddy.
Now that's like cotton.
There you go.
I forgot what they call this, but I'm gonna call it good as hell. But it's like a kind of a pancakey. And sugar. And it's hot.
Man, this chicken.
Take out your.
Okay, this is the first Indian food I had. It was fantastic. If you're coming here, definitely get the sampler plate. We got a meat classic for $75. It came with some chicken, lamb, and shrimp. Very good. I think the thing was outstanding to me was the lamb. Interesting enough, I don't eat chicken. They also came with some desserts and some appetizers. This is a fantastic meal. We'll definitely be coming back. My wife and son love the chicken, so thank you.